Welcome to my channel, good people. The question is, why is blockchain tech often referred to as the necessary technology in this era? And then some have even argued that with blockchain, the future is now. Well, stay tuned and you will be amazed about my findings on this subject matter. So, grab a cup of water and then subscribe. Meanwhile, for better understanding, let me describe how blockchain function. You see, blockchain is a digital ledger that is immutable and it is very secured. It contains information, database if you like, that is available for everyone to access. Again, you may not be able to figure out who owns what. It gathers, verifies, and records data approximately every 10 minutes. And then it cannot be duplicated like fiat money. Why? Because the blockchain is designed to link with all previous block of transaction in the ledger with a hashtag number. And when a hashtag is generated, it is placed at the end of the blockchain and then publicly updated and propagated. So let me remind you of this. You see, this transparency makes blockchain reliable and dependable. That said, let us examine how these technologies help in the digital world and our everyday activities, if you like. You see, blockchain tech can be deployed in the area of renewable energy. So what do I mean? Well, you see, the consensus is that excessive energy production and the consumption of such energy can lead to global warming. And many have raised environmental concern and the cost involved in it. This is where blockchain energy web token can be deployed rather. According to a report, the tech unleashed the potential of open source decentralized digital technologies. In effect, the energy web can now be used to generate low carbon electric system, and when fully deployed, it could also connect sectors like the grid operator, software developers, and vendors. Besides, you already know this. You're already aware of this. Bitcoin is embedded in blockchain tech, and as such, the digital asset allows you to send and receive value without the need of a bank or financial institution. And one unique aspect of Bitcoin is thus, it is not only decentralized but also secured, meaning people can have access to the ledger, yet very safe. Why? Because Bitcoin security network is embedded in blockchain tech. Okay, moving on. The blockchain again could allow individual patients to easily unlock and share their health data with other providers or organizations through a shareable private key. This could lead to a better collaboration of better services in the future. Again, blockchain can be used in copyright and royalty protection and then intellectual property. You see, the present copyright and ownership law on music and other content has some loopholes, downside if you like. However, with blockchain, copyright law will be beefed up considerably for digital content downloads, ensuring the artist or creator of the content being purchased get their fair share. Blockchain will also provide real-time and transparent royalty distribution data to musicians and content creators, people like us. Blockchain can help with digital voting. What do I mean? You see, blockchain offers the ability to vote digitally, but it is transparent enough that any regulators will be able to see if something was changed on the network. Remember this. Let me remind you. The blockchain is designed to link with all previous block of transaction in the ledger with a hashtag number. And when a hashtag is generated, it is placed at the end of the blockchain and then publicly updated, propagated. In effect, the blockchain enable easy voting, the ability to monitor, and then it is immutable. You should be aware of this again. Blockchain can be deployed in real estate, land, and auto title transfers. One of the primary goals of blockchain is to take the paper out of the equation, since paper trials are often source of confusion. Instead of handling this on paper, blockchain can store titles on its network, allowing for a transparent view of this transfer, as well as presenting a crystal clear picture of legal ownership. Now, again, moving on, blockchain can be used for effective tax regulation and compliance. Because of the attribute of the tech, which is transparent and immutable, companies can use it to record sales and demonstrate to lawmakers that they are abiding by local law and or federal laws. More importantly, this is act as a clear record for the IRS that they have paid their fair share of the tax to the federal government. That said, you see, in my opinion, and I hope you agree with me, that blockchain tech is now. The future is indeed now. And blockchain is the future. And it is a necessary tech now. Okay, that said. So what is your opinion on the subject matter? I'd like to hear from you. Okay, here comes the best part. Subscribe, like, and comment. Remember, our target is 500 subscribers. Again, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and then create jobs. Bye now. See you soon.